Welcome back to our Playwright series. Today, we are diving deep into Playwright's command line capabilities, powerful tools that let you orchestrate complex test scenarios, debug with precision, and automate cross-browser interactions with just a few commands. We'll cover 15 essential Playwright commands that will supercharge your testing efficiency, minimize flakiness, and ensure rock-solid execution. Command number 1, to execute all test cases within your Playwright test suite, use npx playwright test. This runs all available test files in your project and generates a detailed test report. Command number 2, need to focus on a single test file. Just specify the file name after the test command. Command number 3, you can execute multiple specific test files simultaneously by listing them, particularly useful for targeted regression testing. Command number 4, to run test files that follow a specific naming convention or pattern, use an asterisk wildcard. This makes it convenient to categorize and run group tests. Command number 5, Playwright allows you to filter and execute tests based on tags. Use grep @smoke to run only tests with that tag or grep invert @slow to exclude certain tags. This is perfect for categorizing tests like smoke, regression, or slow tests. You can easily categorize tests using tags within test descriptions, making your test suite more organized and manageable. Command number 6, debug mode. Use debug to launch the Playwright inspector, allowing you to step through test executions, inspect elements, and analyze failures interactively. Add slow-mo equals 1000 to slow down each action by 1 second, making it easier to observe UI behaviors. Command number 7, control parallel execution. Set workers equals 1 to run tests sequentially, which is useful for debugging or tests with dependencies. Or specify a custom number like workers equals 2 to balance speed and stability. Command number 8, UI mode. Launch Playwright's visual interface with UI for an interactive test execution experience where you can inspect tests, debug failures, and rerun specific tests with visual feedback. Command number 9, control browser visibility. By default, Playwright runs in headless mode. Use headed to launch a visible browser or explicitly use headless when needed. Command number 10, cross-browser testing. Execute tests in specific browsers using the project parameter. Run tests in Chromium, Firefox, or other supported browsers to ensure compatibility across platforms. Command number 11, auto-generate test scripts. Use CodeGen to open a browser that records your interactions and automatically generates Playwright code, saving time and ensuring accurate test creation. Command number 12, tracing for debugging. Enable full tracing with trace on to capture the entire execution flow. Use retain on failure to save traces only when tests fail. Then, view save traces with show trace to analyze test execution in detail. Command number 13, built-in assertions. Playwright offers powerful validation capabilities to check text content, element visibility, and attribute values. These assertions ensure that web pages render correctly and that elements function as expected. Command number 14, handling UI interactions. Use dialog event handlers for alerts and pop-ups. Implement proper wait conditions with wait for selector, wait for timeout, or wait for load state to prevent flaky tests when dealing with dynamic content. Command number 15, visual testing and mobile device emulation. Capture screenshots for debugging and documentation. Easily emulate mobile devices using built-in presets to test responsive designs without manual configuration. Mastering Playwright isn't just about knowing these 15 commands, it's about optimizing your testing strategy. The right execution flow can speed up test cycles, improve reliability, and catch bugs before they reach production. By integrating these essential Playwright commands into your workflow, you can fine-tune your test automation, ensure flawless execution, and boost efficiency. So, go ahead, experiment, refine, and push the limits of test automation with Playwright.